This is a Pocket Word document from the early 2000s. It uses a different compression than standard Word docs. You need a specific plugin or converter to read it on Windows 10. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's convert it. Note on preparation: make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the PWI file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. A PWI file is a document created by Pocket Word, a word processing application designed for mobile devices, particularly those running Windows CE or similar operating systems. These files contain formatted text, images, and other document elements, allowing users to create and edit documents on the go. PWI files are typically smaller in size compared to desktop word processor formats. PWI files are structured to be lightweight and efficient for mobile devices with limited processing power and storage. The file format supports basic text formatting options such as font styles, paragraph alignment, and lists. Embedded images are often compressed to reduce file size. The format is optimized for quick loading and editing on mobile platforms. The most widely recognized opener for PWI is unequivocally Pocket Word from Microsoft. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the PWI file and select Open With. Try Pocket Word as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. When a PWI file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the PWI error using these 3 focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, use Pocket Word. Open the file using Microsoft Pocket Word or a compatible handheld emulator. Next, use Alternative Viewer. If the program is unavailable, use Microsoft Word with the necessary conversion add-in to open the file. Finally, convert to doc PDF. Use an online conversion utility to export the file to a universal format like .doc or PDF. If your current apps can't interpret your PWI file, your computer is likely trying to use the wrong language to read a format it doesn't recognize. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Stop wasting time on other tools. I recommend FileMagick, the universal viewer that works on the PWI format. Go to filemagick.com to download now. I hope your file is working now. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm already preparing the next fix, and you won't want to miss it.